Hi viewers, in this segment we are going to see the poem Ulysses. It was written by Alfred Tennyson. Ulysses is the king of Ithaca who ruled Ithaca. He likes traveling and exploring the world. This poem also explains about that. His life seems to be very dull when he was in Ithaca. His wife also becomes old. For silly laws and judgment, he was wasting his time. He feels like that. The accusation of the people also not at all civilized. So, in the sight of Ulysses, all that his people does is earning wealth, eating, and sleeping. Those people don't have time to think about Ulysses or to see how his life is. So, he wants to explore the world and travel around as he did earlier. Until he was alive, he wants to enjoy his life. Every moment he travels, it gave him some sort of happiness. Even when he was ill, he used to travel. Though he was alone or with the crew members in land or sailing in the stormy sea, he just wanted to enjoy his life. He was well known for his traveling. He used to travel and meet up with different kinds of people, their lifestyle, culture, and so on. Even the way of ruling also reflected in him. Wherever he goes, he will get honor and respect. He was happy to see the soldiers who were in the Trojan War with him. Even after getting all those experiences, he was not satisfied with traveling. When he meets up with different people and places, he wants to explore more and more. He feels that it doesn't matter how much he has explored the world, but he wants to explore and travel more. He wants to see the unknown places, which is actually not he has visited. According to him, sitting in a place without doing any activity is equal to the sword which has to be used for war but which is filled with rust. He says that just being alive is not the true living. To him, even if he got multiple lives, that time is not enough to live the life which he wants to live. Not only that, he is living in his last days as he is old in age, but still he wants to live each hour and each minute to do something differently or to create opportunities. He feels that it is not good to sit at home and eating just to pass the years of life. Even when he is old, his desire is to explore the world and to know a lot of new things. His ambition is to go beyond the limit of what people know and see. That is like a shooting star going beyond the horizon. Then he is telling about his son Telemachus. After the death of Ulysses, Telemachus, his son, will be ruling the island. He likes his son in the way how he will be taking over the responsibilities. He is very patient and a true judgmenter. He could change the rough people of Ithaca as gentle people. Ulysses can't find any fault in him, in his son, because he will rule very well. He will respect the people. Even if he died, even if this king died, his son will give sacrifices to his god. As Ulysses is a good explorer, Telemachus will be a good ruler. Ulysses is looking at the port. He was looking at the big ocean from the ship on which he was sailing. The crew members who were all with him earlier explored the world and earned so many knowledge. In their journey, whatever obstacles or hurdles comes in their way, they face it in a courageous way. He says that now he and his crew members have become old. Still, he wants to do hard work and get respect. Anyway, they will die soon, then the chances to do great things will also be over. But he wants to do something heroic before he dies. Then the people in Ithaca started to light lamps. It was night time, moon also there in the sky. The waves of the sea seems as if it is murmuring to Ulysses. Ulysses is asking his crew members to join in his voyage as his own friends. He feels that even now it's not late to do a journey to explore the world. He invites them, those people, to join in the ship because he wants to travel as far as he could before he dies. He thinks that he may sink in the waves of the sea, still their soul will find a way to move on. If that is possible, he will get a chance to meet his companion Achilles. He says that they may not have strength physically, but mentally they are the same. Because of old age, their body may be weak, but their spirit is very strong. They were hardworking and determined. They never give up to reach their goal. So, thus, this poem ends, and stay tuned with Learning Station for further videos.